you guys wondering how to get a link, your link for your resume and send it via email or anywhere, like posted on a job listing? I'll teach you how, and this is very, very easy. Okay, as you can see in my screen, okay, you need to save your documents or your resume in PDF form. Okay, in my case, I have my resume here in Word, but I already have PDF. I already save it as PDF. So all you need to do is to copy this one. And then you need to save it on your drive. Okay, so I'll paste it here. Control V. So this is where my resume is located. So in order to get the link, just right click and then show more, and then copy link. So it will show you your link. Then you can copy this and then send it or attach it to your email, to any job posting in LinkedIn or any site for freelancing. Or if the employer asks you for your resume link, you can do it. Okay, that's all. And thank you for your time.